Welcome back. Columbia Boone County's WIC program got a certificate of excellence from the Missouri WIC Association. The program's main goal is to provide healthy food and nutrition education to women, infants, and children, hence the name WIC.
Boone County won the award for its outreach to students in the community and for its referral points like physicians and other health-related organizations. But KOMU8's Allison Brown is here in the studio to tell us some of its resources do have requirements.
Anyone can use the program for its resources. For instance, any information on nutrition education or support groups are open. But to qualify for the supplemental nutrition program, you must be a pregnant woman, a breastfeeding woman who's had a baby within the past year, an infant or a child up to its 5th birthday. You also must be a Missouri resident. There's also an income limit. The gross annual household income cannot exceed 185% of the federal poverty income guidelines. For example, a family of 4 could earn up to $3,500 a month. Or a health professional may have identified a nutritional risk like anemia.
In the WIC program, for the participants here, our women, our infants, and our children provide nutrition education, supplemental foods, and referrals. So we are a big referral point on to other healthcare services.
Columbia Boone County's WIC program currently averages 30,000 visits per year. The WIC program has to be renewed every year, and because of its efforts, it will be around next year.
Coming up.